And hello everyone and welcome back to the Alpha 1982, your YouTube Paracord community. I hope you're safe and sound and that you're ready for today's tutorial how to create this 6-strand paracord base or paracord bracelet cord you have in the top right corner of this video. So here information, and you click it and you get a list of the tutorials we suggest to you. So that being said, we're gonna continue, and let me just zoom a bit so you can clearly see. So 6 strands, so we're gonna go from the top into the middle like so, and with the left one also. The credits and gratitude for today's project inspiration goes to the board Paracord, so go ahead and check him on the YouTube and Instagram. Now we're gonna, from these inner strands, as you can see here, we crossed from the top into the middle, both cords. Now we're gonna take it, and from the back side we're gonna pull it through the gap between fifth and the sixth bracelet core strand, and on the left side also. So like this. Now in the middle, forget about this right strand here and the left strand here, so create the crossing here and here, and from this point we're gonna take the left cord and we're gonna make it on top of the all three base cords on the right side, and we're gonna take the left one and we're gonna cross it on top of the first three cords of the bracelet base or core and insert. So as you can see here, we have formed the pattern. Now we're gonna continue. So from the back, in the gap between first and the second from the right side, and also here on the left side, in the gap between first and the second from the left side, in the middle and through, and with this one in the middle and through. Now pull it, tighten it and continue. So on top, both three strands on the right side and in the middle and through. So here also on top, in the middle and through. So here we reached the end of today's project. I hope that you like it. If you do, give a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, and if you're not subscribed yet, consider subscribing. Also hit that bell button so you will stay in touch whenever we post the new content. You will be notified. Now we're gonna cut off the excess of a cord and finishing down this bracelet. So until the next time, wish you just best, stay safe, be well, Dale signing off. See ya, bye.